Hey guys, this is Han. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm talking a little bit softly. Ooh, let me just use my microphone. And then I'm going to attach it to here. Testing 1 2 1 2. Hey guys, this is Han. Welcome back to my channel. So it's 5 in the morning. I got home from work, and usually I get home around 4, but because of daylight savings, it's 5. And I kind of was thinking the video I wanted to do this week was to clean my closet that's to my right now, but that is a bigger project. So I figure I do a quick kitchen cleanup and show you a speed cleaning motivation Sunday, if you will, and show you how I reset my kitchen from the previous night. Normally I do this the next morning, but I figure I film now and do a quick cleanup, and then that way I can not be in a rush tomorrow because I have an event to go to for my sister in support of her fundraiser. I probably will end up cleaning for 10 minutes and call it a night. Have a good night, guys. Take care. So I'm starting off by putting away the pots and pans back in the oven because we used the oven earlier to bake a pizza, and now the oven's cooled off and we're putting the pots and pans back. And then I'm going to put away the clean dishes back to where they belong, like the bake pans, the pots and pans again, and silverware, plates, bowls, etc. Everything has a home, so the knives go in this knife organizer. And then these plastic containers, I think I found at the Dollar Tree, and we use it to prep vegetables before we cook them. So we like pre-chop stuff and we would store that in here. And it serves a great tool when we organize stuff in our fridge, as you can see there. And then I use these raised racks also from the Dollar Tree to separate my ramekins from the bowls. And then I'm putting away, see, these bowls have their own home, own space. And then colanders go down here, stacked up. And then bake pans go under the oven. Then these organizers I also found at the Dollar Tree, and it holds like compartment for scissors, compartment for cutting stuff, the pizza slicer, and then we have cooking tools just now, and then the similar organizers as earlier, these hold my silverware. Now I'm going to wash the remaining of the dirty dishes, and I'll be able to put them away in the morning. Don't mind these ugly planters on the windowsill. I don't know what to do with them. It's his thing, and I'm not going to touch it. Now I'm going to take out this recyclable stuff out to the garage to clear the kitchen floors before I vacuum. Then I'm going to clear out this entryway where we usually kick off our shoes, so I'll just put some of the shoes back where they belong. And I use pool noodles to keep the boots standing up. And lastly, I vacuum my kitchen floors with my Dyson V6. That is all, folks. Have a good night. Stay inspired. I'll see you next time.